Director of Manufacturing Services for Basalite Building Products. BLR products that we're using is Basic Safe, EHS management software. The problems that we were trying to solve when we first started with Basic Safe were really twofold. We were doing a series of comprehensive audits at our manufacturing plants, and we wanted to make sure that the items, the hazards, if you would, that were discovered were corrected on a timely basis. Make sure that these audits that we were doing with all these items that were discovered weren't just left to the wayside, but that they were seen through completion. The biggest thing that Basic Safe has done to contribute positively to our organization has brought uniformity and standardization into how we approach documentation, safety training, corrective action findings, and completing those corrective actions. It was really a customer service that sold us, because we found a lot of methods that would have accomplished the same thing. We had some problems that we wanted to solve. They knew they had a tool that would work, that would solve the problem, but it was the hand-holding along the way that made the difference. Having somebody that picks up the phone and calls you back as opposed to just emailing you, that personal touch makes a difference to our safety coordinators, makes a difference to me.